friends, the families of today's event, members of our Western Union, friends, very good morning to all of you. So today we have assembled for the entire production of two great Indian players, and so it's sorry to note that we are not going to get any replacement immediately. I will start with Jayantiman. Jayantiman was working in construction compromise, and I was the CEO of construction division at that time. We used to have interaction. So we were passing the bill during the principal bid area. And after coming over here, I saw same Jayantiman. I just ensured seeing her. So nice to be here. So very soft and good working lady officer. Highly shy. And at the same time, want to do something. And even for this function, she said very securely, sir, for you only, I want this function to take place with very few minutes only, so that so many man-hours need not be wasted. She knows the value of the man-hours. And you will not believe 2 days she took leave only to clear the leave obligations. At the office, she is quite often disturbed, telling that, sir, I am at home doing this work. So dedicated. Thanks to her sir also. So at that time, he just made them to work and he was helpful with her. Thank you, sir. So such a dedicated, we are now losing the dedicated officer. And she was patient enough to come all the way from Tamru. Daily she is traveling 100 kilometers. Despite that, her work performance was fantastic, very nice. So we are very missing her. So thank you. She have a very long, healthy life. And coming to my very decade-old friend, Mr. Murali, I think I can do a big job. Murali and we are more than 35 years together. Our journey in traffic events, it was a real journey. Because those times we had quarterly meetings, so we had to go to Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta and all. So we used to go there. I am for asked for the passengers area and he is for goods. So it was a very fantastic experience, work experience from Deputy Appeals. So many people used to come. And so nice, Murali will be counting everyone. So the net results of apportionment will be very good because he is directly answering to Deputy CMOT, Deputy MOT. So his work was very fantastic. Always it was appreciated by headquarters. And not only that, he had good rapport with all FAs. So that is a very nice thing. Why? Because he has the uncanny knack of solving some problem. Like suddenly your ratio is going to get reduced, then only do something. So he will do something that picture will be very catchy and will be good for this salary. So very highly dependable our Murali. And we have personally also very nice thing to come. Wherever we go, we used to have some fun here and there. So Murali, really I am missing him. And one more thing I want to share is daily bringing me lunch. That's one thing. The madam is here, so particular that my health should not be spoiled. Otherwise also Mr. Ravi Shankar, so pension used to give. So I ought to say this at the bottom. I profoundly thank Murali and Mrs. Murali at this juncture. So thank you very much, sir. I will be missing the good food from tomorrow, but nevertheless I will be getting to Ravi Shankar. And I can talk more about Murali. It is so vast and big subject. But he was one instrumental for making so many people to become officers. In traffic accounts, so many teams have become area accounts. And at last, people pressurized him that you should also one day become officer. And that is where the fag end of his career just 1 year. And to that one, he has put in 41 years of bronze service. Almost no one has done such. He joined railways at the very early age of 18 years. His father was a senior TA, very dedicated person, RFTA. So he was also doing very good stuff. But unfortunately, he has done and Murali has built the place and he has done the service of his father also, I suppose say. So long live Ramiji. He has a Vedic knowledge. He does everything. Philanthropist. So he life and there is a very simple life. And he was very instrumental for our Pongal function, which was done in a very nice way. So much said something. Thank you, Ramiji. Thank you, Jayanji. All the best. You gave me a very good lunch. Very all the best. Wish both of you all the happy, retired, long innings as it is said. Thank you all of you.
Thank you so much for all your appreciation. I now request our senior APS Ramanarayanan sir to share his views, please.
Good morning, everybody. Respected CNTO, Deputy CNTOs, the chief guests of this morning, their beloved family members, our retired colleagues, staff and friends. This is a very emotional time where we have to part ways with Mr. Murali and Ms. Jayanti, who have done exemplary service, as we all know. My association with Murali sir is more than 2 decades old, 2.5 decades old. From our days of working together in construction, I've been saying Mr. Murali at very close quarters, a very, very genial person, very soft-spoken, an excellent motivator, and a man who always gives solutions, a very positive approach to whatever issue is brought to him. Even if the issue is not brought to him, if he happens to be there in that circle, he will come out with a solution. That sort of man he is. I am blessed to have his friendship and company for so long. Wish Mr. Murali sir a very happy, healthy and peaceful retired life. Jayanti madam, again, I know her from the days of my construction years in 2009. We did not have many interactions, but we know each other, who we are and all that, because we had common friends circle. Jayanti madam, as my predecessors have put it, was a very work-oriented, always interested in doing work without wasting time, to do it with perfection. At the same time, they very soft towards people and try to find solutions, capable of handling issues, all that. So from these two people, what we need to invite is a positive attitude and a continued interest in work. Work. That sort of attitude is very hard to sustain it all these years. It's a very great virtue, I would like to say. I wish Jayanti madam a very happy, healthy, and peaceful time life. Thank you for the opportunity.
Work in pension.
Good morning, everybody. Respected Attorney Deputy Madam, Deputy Sir, Senior AFK, Sir. I got this award because of finding mistake in drawing family pension after getting married. The one employee retired from Carriage Works and submitted her papers. On scrutiny of it, it was observed that she got remarried during 2007 and submitted the paper same to the bank during 2008. It was clearly that one year she got overpayment. But I want the last pension certificate from the bank. So we met, I asked her to go to the bank and get the certificate. It was observed that she drawn pension till 2013, almost 80 months from her second marriage. So we calculated and found that 4,31,851 as the overpayment paid by the collected by the pensioner. So I asked her to remit the same through DD and she did it. So after that we cleared her settlement papers and limited the amount to the pension fund. Similarly, 3 more cases are there. I also total recovery done for the past 2 months amounting to 10 lakhs. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I now request
Good morning to FNCO sir, deputies, and editor is Sri Murli sir, and Jayanti madam, my dear friends. I think Murli sir has got a lot of experience that on the TIA. TIA generally is gives practical experience into working of railways, where you know what exactly how much you are going to cut, how much penalty you are going to maybe most of the discrepancies and all that. They have good exposure. They act as both accounting and finance officials kind of thing. The only thing is that I think he is very short here. Like he has some just yeah. So I request all the youngsters to take up the exams at the early stage and become officers. It is very easy actually. The accounts promotion channel is one of the easiest in Indian bureaucracy. So I request the youngsters to take up the exams, become SOs. Then 30% you write. There is a lot of scope for career in advancement and improvement. Regarding my experience with Murli is he takes a lot of leave. I never denied it, but yeah, like, whatever is pending, he follows up closely and he sees to it that it's completed in time. That is there. And he is very jovial person, simple person. I think he is deep into the spirituality and all that. I wish him very happy life. And regarding Jayanti madam, as she continuously says like, you are the first boss, you are the first boss. So actually today, yesterday night when I came, I don't want to come actually. I told sir also yesterday. But she messaged in the morning, sir, you are coming or not coming, that you are the first boss and all that. Then I thought, okay, I have to go. I started. So then I came like, okay, I want to come in the evening actually, but since this is kept it as a 1 o'clock, I thought, okay, go and attend it. I came. So she is a very good officer. We work together in construction. Then she followed me here. She is very dedicated officer. She completes the things. I don't get many complaints from workshops. Workshops has a lot of work regarding connection and improvement and all those cases. She manages it very well. I wish her to be happy in her life and take care of her health and do whatever you are able to do in your service here and start her second innings with the band. Thank you.
I now request our Deputy W Madam to say a few words, please.
Respected MP sir, senior officers and other colleagues, good morning all of you. Actually, I would like to talk about wish we would have some more time. I would have had some more time with her. And now I have to face two of these officers' retirement, and that is actually it's actually creating already. I'm already in the process of thinking how I'll be able to do these things without these two officers. And about Murali has been he's the person who always starts his conversation with me by telling, Madam, I have 41 years of service, so I can think that. So otherwise he was also a very dedicated and committed officer. He has been able to take the responsibility whenever there is an occasion. And I wish both of them very happy and healthy retirement life. Thank you.
Please.
Respected FACO sir, all officers of stores and workshop, and my dear colleagues and the family members of the retirees. So a very good afternoon to one and all. It's a pleasure to see that our officers are retiring, but also there is a crunch from the administrative side that how we are going to fill such a huge vacuum. So I'll start off with Mr. Murali. So whenever I go to traffic accounts, he'll be the person whom everyone points to. You can meet Mr. Murali, he'll share his experience of traffic accounts. He's almost like a human audiobook. Every time you go to him, or even 2 days back when I interacted with him, he'll share a lot of experience about his version of Indian Railway. As of today, we are in a very mechanical world. Like we pass bills, we do proposals in a very hasty and with too much of pressure. But there was a generation who really cherished working, and he was one of them. He was from that generation, and the way he narrates how the TCs used to get accepted, TCs used to be forced upon on railways. Now it is all e-recon, it's only on iPass. He belongs to that generation when things were all manual. So all youngsters should learn from him, and one thing that you should learn from him is how much he wants to share the knowledge that he has. Of all accounts, if you see, there are very few officers or staff who really want to teach the colleague or the junior staff members. They want to hold back. It's like a pressure. They want to take it home when they retire. But he is one person who is always ready to take classes to the juniors, to the new entrants. So I really wish him a very happy retired life. And coming to Madam Jayanti, I have not interacted much with her. Only for Women's Day celebration I had interacted. She is very meticulous officer, I could make out. So I'm with all her dedication. And just today I got to know she, with her leave record vetting, that much of a dedication we will have to put in. The organization that you are presently in is because of all these collective efforts from all staff members and officers. So I request all youngsters to take these lessons from them and go on. And I'm wishing the Jayanti Madam a very happy retired life. Thank you.
Request our FACO sir to speak on the occasion, please.
Good morning to all of you. So today's two important gems of this office, I should say, and chief guests, Srimati Jayanti and Sri Murali, and our colleague officers Ramji, Sudhita, Prema, and all the other officers, and my beloved SNW family. So some of the retired officers and staff are also here. So 2-3 things before I actually come to this retirement function. On behalf of the entire this SNW fraternity, we wish Shankar Narayanan for getting this promotion. So congratulations to you, Shankar. And secondly, we welcome Swami Narayanan, officially. So then coming to retirement function. So before I'll tell something about these two officers. So both Chandran is also here. No? So maybe around 8 to 10 of our staff are eligible to write Appendix 3A this year. So I want as many number of them should clear, both Murli and Ravichandran will ensure that. So in the entire Southern Railways, highest number of SOs should be from this office. So we are giving this task to both of you and we'll celebrate a party if that comes to. Okay. So of course we know that serving for 41 years and their family members are also here. So half of the credit should go to their families. So their sacrifices are equally important. So Murli, 41 years, like we can't imagine also, 41 years serving in an organization. So definitely he has contributed immensely to this organization. So Jayanti also, in this short period of 4 months, whatever task, whatever assignment, personally whatever I have told them, they have completed it with utmost dedication. So all the youngsters to imitate all the good qualities of these two officers. So again, on behalf of entire accounts fraternity, so we wish them and their families a healthy, happy, contented, peaceful retirement life. Thank you all.
Officer Shri Murli sir to share his experience, his memories, please.
Respected FASOs, sir, respected deputy FASOs and my dear colleagues. I am proud to say that my family, myself and my father served the Indian Railways for more than 65 years. My father was a PA for 25 years and he passed away abruptly at the age of 47. Last year's raised a debit of 69 lakhs at Ernakulam. There was a mistake was happened in goods transaction. He raised a debit of 69 lakhs. During last debit he raised at the year 1981. 1982 he passed away. And administration is kind enough to give me a contracted ground without any exam. I must thank Mr. R. Narasimhan, FNCO, then FNCO, and who gave me an appointment to serve Indian Railways in the year 1982. With the result, myself and my father both worked in traffic accounts. We earned crores and crores of earnings, rupees of earnings for Indian Railways. I must be proud of it. And I thank all the officers, my dear colleagues who gave me support all the 41 years in this area. I thank you everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I now request our returning officer, Srimati Jayanti Madam, to express her views, please.
Respected FNCO sir, DPFO madam, sir, the other officers and colleagues. I should also be thankful to my father who has initiated to get an appointment in the railways. He is the first one who will be happy if he is there now. I continued my journey from ICF, then NTP, RE construction, finally Thambaram, then finally at Perambur. I had short tenure. I was actually very reluctant to come to Perambur initially, but now I am seeing amazing support and relationship here maintained as a family. I think I will be missing everyone here. All the everybody was doing tremendous work by Richard and all. It's all a teamwork only. My subordinates and my SOs shared their support. Without their cooperation, I could not have done anything. I think. Thanks to everyone, all officers who are instrumental in continuing my service till superannuation. Madam Hema Sunita was actually she only encouraged me to continue after my coming to headquarters as from DH to Thambaram as headquarters as SO.
she only encouraged me, you have to continue till some more time, till superannuation. I have to express my thanks to her. And here, I think Ramji sir has extended his full cooperation and he is very cordial in whatever I do. I feel I have not given any, because of my service, any problems will not be there to my superiors. I have done justice to my level best. Thank you all. Thank you everybody. And special thanks to my experts and teammates, all new recruits who have done their best. Thank you.
From the US has sent a voice message.
While we regretfully cannot be present at his retirement party, I find solace in knowing that he is surrounded by wonderful colleagues like you. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has supported him over the years, treating him not just as a colleague, but as a family. Throughout his career, his passion for Southern Railway has been unwavering. Undoubtedly, today will be an emotional day for him as he prepares for a new chapter. I request all of you to continue providing the same comfort and companionship as he begins his transition. Once again, thank you and namaskar.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Function went very well. And before concluding, I will request our FA sir to give this books to both our retirees. Yeah. श्रीमद् भागवत सर, श्रीमद् भागवत फुल including thanks to our beloved Tenzoza for extending his time. In fact, we wanted to complete the function by 12 o'clock, but he is now in affection that he is extended his time. And I thank all our deputies, officers, colleagues, retired officers.